Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sketch using a laptop. First, you'll need to choose a suitable drawing application. Many free and paid options are available. Next, connect a graphics tablet for precise control, or if your laptop has a touchscreen, you can use that directly. Finally, familiarize yourself with the brush settings to control line thickness and how transparent your strokes are. This foundation will help you begin your digital art journey smoothly. Once your application is ready, it's time to set up your canvas. Start by creating a new document, perhaps with common dimensions such as 1920 by 1080 pixels for a standard screen. Then, select a background color or even a subtle texture to give your sketch some character. Remember to use layers. They are crucial for separating elements, allowing you to edit parts of your drawing without affecting others. This keeps your workflow flexible. Now, let's dive into some essential sketching techniques. Begin by practicing basic shapes like circles, squares, and straight lines to build muscle memory and control with your digital tools. Don't hesitate to use reference images. They are invaluable for understanding anatomy, perspective, and composition. Finally, explore the different brushes available in your software. Each brush offers unique textures and effects, opening up a world of creative possibilities for your art. After completing your initial sketch, take some time to refine it. Look for areas that need more detail, cleaner lines, or better shading. Once you're satisfied, export your finished artwork in a widely compatible format such as JPEG or PNG, making it easy to share online or print. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your creative environment.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.